When tornadoes struck south central Kentucky in December, barely missing WKU's campus, many in the Hilltopper community were scrambling to rebuild what they lost, including WKU Senior Cecilia Knighten.
I was just sitting on the couch. A friend called me back at home to make sure I was okay, and I'm confused on why she's trying to make sure I'm okay.
Just 15 minutes later, the tornado hit.
And I flew off the couch, and there I was, just trying to figure out in panic mode to what to do.
Her boyfriend, WKU defensive tackle Jeremy Darvin, was recovering from arm surgery and had just moved to the couch from the recliner next to this window.
And that shed that's right there, that's the shed that was actually in this wall. And it broke through the brick, through the insulation, through the wood, and it came through.
Over the next few hours, football staff helped them get to a hotel. It wasn't until the next day that they realized how lucky they were.
It's like my life flashed before my eyes. So of course I was just going through my mind of what could have been, and because there was some deaths during that tornado here in Bowling Green, and it could have been any of us.
Most of their belongings were not able to be salvaged.
A lot of majority of our stuff was ruined. Our beds were ruined, the sofas were ruined.
Even though he wasn't able to play because of his injury, Jeremy and Cecilia were able to go to the bowl game in Boca Raton the following weekend. When they returned and relocated to another apartment, the food pantry and the Emergency Student Assistance Fund helped them get back on their feet.
They gave us gift cards to be able to build back up our food because electricity was gone. When we got back, there was no food in our new home.
The outpouring of WKU support after such an unsettling event is something Cecilia says she will never forget.
It was great to know that everyone came together to put their arm out to help everyone in need.
With this week's View from the Hill, I'm Amy Bingham.